So next up, guys, we got a 1998 Ford. It's an Econoline E350 van. So basically, local consignor guys use this as like a mobile welding shop. He's got a welding business. He'd hang a welder kind of on a track in it. Take this out to different little job sites, do kind of mobile jobs with this. It does have some desks and different cabinetry there inside. You'll see in the pictures. But the van's got 206,000 miles or a little more on it. You know, she fires up, goes forward, reverse. Got the Triton V8 gas motor in it, automatic transmission. But yeah, I'm here with Jim. He'll fire it up, give you a nice demo. You know, I was in it, guys. The only light that's on the dash is like an ABS light. She starts right up. The tires do hold air. The tires are getting pretty worn. You'll probably need new tires here at some point. She's got kind of the general rust you'd expect on a van there that's getting to be quite a few years old. It's been out in Iowa. But I gotta know those Triton motors, they gotta run a long time, so I think for the most part, guys, pretty solid little unit. It's got a rear receiver hitch. Interior, I think it's just got heat, no AC, but tail lights work. She goes forward, reverse, and kind of does all those things. So there's just a quick demo, guys, of the 1994 Ford E350 Econoline van. So we look at auction time at Old 20 Auctions.